A lot of people have heard of Claude, but are still confused about what it actually is, what it can do, and why anyone would use it over ChatGPT. So in the next few minutes I am going to explain you everything in the simplest way possible, no jargon, no fluff, just what you need to know. When you open Claude, you'll see 3 tabs at the top: Chat, Cowork and Code. Think of them like this: Chat is your everyday assistant, Cowork is your file analyst, and Code is your builder. Each one has a specific purpose, and once you get the hang of when to use which, everything just clicks. Before we dive into each one, quick note: you can use Claude completely for free. The free plan gives you access to the Sonnet model, which is already very capable. But if you want the full experience, access to Opus, Claude Code and Cowork, you need the Pro plan, which is $20 a month. I'll explain the difference as we go. Let's start with Chat. Chat is the most straightforward one. You type a question, Claude gives you an answer, similar to ChatGPT, similar to any other AI chatbot. But the reason I personally prefer Claude for work stuff, writing, research, brainstorming, strategy is that the responses just feel more thoughtful, less generic, more like talking to someone who actually gets what you are asking. Now here's the tip that completely changed how I use it. Instead of writing a massive detailed prompt trying to explain everything, I start simple and I add: ask me any relevant questions before you start. And Claude will. It will ask you things you didn't even think of. So if I say, help me plan a content strategy for my channel, ask me any relevant questions, it's going to ask about my niche, my audience, my goals, and then give me something actually tailored. That one habit alone makes a huge difference. Now let me quickly talk about models. Claude has a few different models. The main ones are Sonnet and Opus. I use Sonnet for almost everything. It's fast, it's smart, it handles the vast majority of what I throw at it. But when I have a really complex task, something that needs deeper reasoning or more nuance, I switch to Opus. It takes a bit longer, but it thinks harder and the results show it. On the free plan you get Sonnet, which is honestly enough for more people starting out. But to unlock Opus you need the Pro plan at $20 a month. I personally pay for Pro and I recommend it if you are going to use it regularly for work. The extra usage alone is worth it. On the free plan you'll hit message limits pretty quickly if you're using it seriously. Now before we move on, let me talk about projects, because this is a feature I use constantly. And the good news, projects are available on the free plan too. The idea is simple. You create a project, give it a name like brand guidelines or Q2 marketing, and you upload files, documents, notes, whatever context you want Claude to always have when you are working inside that project. So instead of pasting the same background info into every chat, you set it up once and Claude just knows. Every conversation inside that project already has the context. For example, I have a project where I've uploaded my brand voice, my target audience, and a few things I've written. Now, whenever I ask Claude to write something in that project, it already knows my tone, my style. I don't re-explain anything. Now, ChatGPT also has project features, so it's not unique to Claude. But I found that the way Claude handles context and follow custom instruction inside the project just feel tighter and more consistent. That's my personal experience. Try both and see what works for you. Alright, next up, connectors. This is where Claude starts feeling less like a chatbot and more like an actual assistant. And these are also available on the free plan. Connectors let you plug Claude into tools already used: Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, Figma, Slack, Canva, and a bunch more. The list keeps growing. I've connected mine to Google Calendar in Gmail, so I can literally ask Claude, what does my week look like? And pulls my actual schedule. Or I can say, summarize my unread emails from today, and it does it. No tab switching, no digging through my inbox, it's not answering questions in a vacuum anymore, it's working with your real data. And that changes everything about how useful it becomes day to day. Now let's talk about Cowork. This is where you need the Pro plan. Cowork isn't available on the free tier. Cowork is a feature on the Claude desktop app where you give Claude access to a folder on your computer. And then it can read, analyze, organize and work with whatever's in that folder. So let's say you have a folder full of invoices from the past year. You point Claude to it and ask, give me a breakdown of how much I spent on software subscriptions. And it goes through every file, pulls out the numbers and gives you a clean summary. Done in seconds. I've used it to organize messy folders, pull insights from documents, even learn my writing style by feeding it stuff I've written over the years. You could throw in a folder of receipts and ask it to categorize your expenses. Or give it a bunch of client contracts and ask it to find every clause about payment terms. Things that used to take me 30 minutes, maybe an hour, done in under a minute. One thing to note, Cowork runs locally on your desktop, so it doesn't sync to your phone. But for desktop productivity, it's an absolute game changer. And then there's Code. This also requires Pro plan, it's not available for free. Now here's the thing, I'm not a developer, I don't write code. But with Cloud Code, I build mini apps and little games just for fun. Just by describing what I want in plain English. I will say something like build me a simple quiz game or make me a habit tracker. And it just does it. It writes the code, it builds the thing, and it works. That is mind-blowing to me. The fact that anyone can do this with just a prompt, no coding knowledge needed, that's something that would have been unthinkable a couple of years ago. If you're a developer, there's obviously a lot more you can do. Connect it to GitHub, point it at existing code bases, fix bugs, add features, but even as a complete non-developer, code is incredibly fun and surprisingly useful. I'm not going to go deep into it here because it deserves its own video. So to recap, on the free plan you already get chat with Sonnet, project and connectors, which is a solid starting point. And if you upgrade to Pro for $20 a month, you unlock Opus, Cowork, Cloud Code and more usage. I still use ChatGPT for certain things, I'm not locked into anything. But right now for my workflow, Claude just fits better. Give it a real shot, not just one test. Actually build it into your routine, I think you'll see why. If this was helpful, subscribe, more videos like this are coming. Drop a comment if you have questions, see you in the next one.